Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Tinu. Today I'm just going to be talking about how to become a registered nurse in 2 years. A lot of people have been asking me these questions and I just feel this is the right time to address it. Whether you're just starting out new or you're just looking for a career change, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process of how to become a registered nurse in 2 years. So this program is called the After Degree Nursing Program, and it is offered by most universities. You need a prior degree in something to be able to qualify to apply for this program. So you need a first degree in any field at all. It could be science, it could be arts, it could be anything, but you sure need a prior degree. So you cannot apply for this program if you're just straight out of high school. You need to go through the 4-year program. But if you have like a degree, a bachelor's degree specifically in something, then you can apply to this program. There is a list of prerequisites you need to complete before you can apply for this program. Basically, these prerequisites are anatomy and physiology. They are, I think, statistics, indigenous health studies, indigenous science. You need to research the prerequisites that your program, your school of choice requires. Once you've completed your prerequisite, you need to get a transcript from your school. And this again varies. Some school will want you to have a CGPA of 75%, some would require 70%. So it depends on your school. So you need to research and find out the requirements that your school requires before you can apply for this program. So once you've done your transcript and you completed your prerequisite, you need to get a list of references and you need to write a personal statement. Once you have put all of this document together, you can then apply and submit this document and wait for the application decision. Once you get your application decision that you have been admitted into this program, then the real work starts. It's a rigorous program. It's for 2 years. It's back to back. You don't get any break. You don't get summer break. You don't get winter break. So you're just in school back to back. And while you're in school, you're going to do some coursework, and you're going to have some clinical, you're going to have some hands-on practice. You're never alone because you're going to be working with real patients. So you would have clinical instructors with you that would guide your practice while you're still a student. Once you've completed your 2-year program, you have one last hurdle to cross, and this is the NCLEX RN exam. You need to apply to write this test. While you're waiting to write this test, you can apply for your graduate nurse license, and you can use this to work while you're waiting to write your test. Once you write your NCLEX exam and your license, that is when you become a registered nurse. Once you become a registered nurse, you can apply to any field, any specialty of choice. You can start out somewhere and then branch out to another place. You basically need to find your niche. There are a lot of nursing specialties that you can practice in. Once you've done that, you've successfully become a registered nurse in just 2 calendar years. This is not to discourage anybody, but let me put this out there. This program is very, very rigorous. Remember that it is fast track. So why they're like getting you ready quickly for the workforce, they are providing you with all the required skill sets you need to become an amazing nurse. So you also need to go in with an attitude to succeed. You need to be ready to do the work because it is very, very rigorous. You need to prioritize. It is not a program you can go into and then usually, like the school I went to, as soon as they admit you, they would write you an official letter welcoming you into the program and letting you know that this is not a program you can work while you're studying because it is full time. You would be you would go to school literally from Monday to Friday the first few months, and then it becomes a little bit less, it becomes less rigorous as time goes by. If you have any questions or any comments, you can drop it in the comments section. I would make another video on tips on succeeding in nursing school. So please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share. Keep focused, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.